How to download Hello Kitty Island Adventure on your PC or laptop. So if you want to download Hello Kitty Island Adventure on your PC or your laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you need to search for Hello Kitty Island Adventure download. Go with the first option, which will take you to the official website. Now you'll have this kind of interface. It's available on these four platforms, which is Apple Arcade, Nintendo Switch, Steam, and PlayStation 5. So let me tell you that you won't be able to directly download the game on your desktop or your PC, but what you can do is just simply go with the Steam section, click on Steam PC, and then it will take you to the Steam section. Now you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will have an option of add to cart. You will have your price right here. If you have added your payment method, then you just need to simply go and proceed with the payment, and you'll be able to play the game. That's how you can play Hello Kitty or download it on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.